Okay, and then okay. All right. All right, I'm all set up here. I am gonna go ahead. This is gonna be a short stream, like 30 minutes or so. I just wanted to come on here and see what kind of TA we can get. Mainly because I messed up. I messed up on that gold alert, man. I got the numbers wrong. I was driving, got it wrong. All right, so let's see. Let's see what we can find. Let's start from the top. I do think we go down, man. I do. It's a matter of when. This 4-hour candle is bearish. This new one opened and pushed up, but not really actually. It's already been like an hour and 30 minutes since it's been open, so let's see what it does here now. Flip back red. The hour. Yeah, look at these hour candles, dude. Dead. Look at that. It's so dead. We got to move up and then down, then nowhere, then up. And this one, I don't know. So far, it just looks flat. Okay, but it looks like it wants to move down. The 30 minutes closed bearish. It pumped up and then it just flipped back red and closed red. This 30 minute, we're about to get a new 30 candle. So this looks like it could just reject again. 15 minute too. On the 15 minute, we got this. We have that resistance. So if I want to see lower, I want to see it close below that for sure. I definitely want to see it close below this. Because if we don't see it, then we're just going to consolidate. We might just consolidate and push up. Or consolidate and then push down. So for sure, if we don't see any sort of closures, then yeah, there's really nothing that
No, you guys were in
we can
here.
do.
What
Yo,
up?
what up, man?
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Just speak a little bit louder. What are we looking at? NQ. Okay, let me share my screen. I literally just poured in a cup of coffee.
Nice.
Damn, we dumb chat. What the fuck?
On NQ, yeah. Since market open,
Yeah,
yeah, but we've been on consolidation since.
yeah.
Yeah, I was telling him that I messed up on my alert, so I wasn't gonna stream, but because I did that, I'm gonna see if I can find something here.
I got a payout, chat. I got a payout in futures. My first ever payout
Let's go.
from Iceberg.
Let's see. Look, it wants
Took
to push
time.
down, so let's see if it closes.
Yeah. Let me share my screen with you guys. Let's see, chat. Let's see.
Yo, we got 2 viewers on the YouTube. Say what's up, man. What up? What up? What up? Thank you for being here. Yeah, so it's pushing down. If it can close below this level here at 293.50, then I can see about shorting this again. But let's see how that
So that's
looks
the order
like with the
block right
volume,
there.
just because I don't want it to fall flat again. Because we tried it over here, and I don't want it to fall flat. Where was it that we tried? It was like yeah, it was like right here. And then it just went up, just took us out, came to these highs. Now it's rejecting back. So let's see what it does here. So the rejection is there. I definitely see the potential of this short, but it's just when is it going to happen? So let's see.
I'm gonna get out this combine with structure.
Say that again.
I know what a sentence means. I'm gonna get out this combine with structure. You mean you're gonna pass with structure?
How much do you need, Brooke? How much do you need?
Oh,
Yeah,
we
look,
are below.
we still got 11, 12 minutes left on this candle, so let's see what it does. I need the whole damn thing.
Is it a fresh combine? Oh, it's a fresh combine.
Oh, it's a
Okay,
fresh
50K,
combine?
I'm
I
assuming.
bet.
Top step. Okay. Yeah, bro. Just I mean, there's a lot of different ways you can approach this. Either split it into 3 days or split it into 2 days. Just don't rush the process, man. There's no need to rush anything. Even when I was doing the 150K, a lot of people say, "Oh, you got to pass in 2 days." What was it, Iceberg? I passed in 3 days or 4 days, was it?
Yeah, like 3 days.
Yeah, 3 days. I passed in 3 days, chat. So there's no rush to do anything. Literally, no rush. I had to make 9K on that account, so no rush, chat. No rush. I had to make 9K on that account. I strictly traded silver though to do it. It was tough, but I got it done. Facts. That's why I'm approaching this with so like here's the thing. So I've been trading futures on and off since 2024. I would always go like 3 minis, 4 minis, 5 minis. And I just wanted to pass real quickly. And I would pass sometimes, in 2 days, but then I would just blow the account. And I just realized you don't need to rush anything. You don't need to pass these accounts in 2 days. You could pass them in 3, 4 days, in a week. And then once you actually have the account, you just want to like grab it by the teeth and then just stick to it. Trade 1 to 2 micros. That's what I've kind of been doing with Iceberg. The maximum I do is literally 5 micros. I was able to get $1,000 payout within 3 days, 4 days, was it? I believe. So yes, Chad, it is possible, and I am the proven guinea pig. But yeah, like you said, still broke as fuck. Just approach it with mindfulness. No need to rush anything. The money's gonna come. You just have to know when to execute. That's all. So if your target is 3K, split it into 3, 4 days. Try to get 1K a day. That's all. Don't be that stressed about it. Shit, damn, what was that candle? Is it gonna reject? See, I don't know if this is gonna be acting like support or if it's actually gonna get broken down. Look at the SPY, that the 30-minute chart. Oh wow, 30-minute chart for a SPY. Damn.
Yeah, man. Yeah, that this support is for sure getting a reaction. 8 minutes till then, till this closes. So let's see. It doesn't look
For the
like it,
hour or
but
for the 15?
let's see what happens here.
For the hour or all for the 15? Okay. Mhm.
Okay, let's see while we wait. Let's see. Let me mark this out here too. Okay. So let me look at gold. Okay, gold, we're at the previous 50%, I think. Let's see. Yeah, we are. For gold, if we keep this up, I mean, previous day high seems possible, but on the 4 hour, we still have the previous 4 hour high. So let's see how it reacts here. See if it wants to support.
Mhm.
No, we're not at the previous 50. Actually, we're above it. Sorry, it's the line for the price. Uh, yeah, gold does look good to me. It does look good to me for a continuation. If you want to go for it, I mean, I would rather, me personally, I would rather wait a little bit more just to see how it reacts here. But as far as like from what I can see right now, we have this area of consolidation. This is where we kind of started to react. Another reaction. We started a whole structure. We broke above it. And now you can see these wicks that are holding up now above this. Does that make sense? So if you
Makes
want to
sense.
try it, maybe not financial advice, but if if you would want to take a shot at it, you can try it here. What is this? If you start here, I will put the if I were to, if I was looking to do it here, my stop will be below. That's about 5 points. If you do one micro, that's $50. $50. And if picture perfect play all the way to previous that high, if we for some reason we get like we get a Drake candle, 52.37.2. What are you looking at, Coobs?
I'm honestly just looking at the NQ and it looks like, it doesn't want to come down. I think that was a fake dead cat bounce, but I don't know. The volume is kind of just low.
Yeah, it's flat. This volume is for sure flat as hell.
Yeah. I think tomorrow we have I think tomorrow we have PMI here. Let's take a look at silver. Not that I'm gonna trade it or anything, but just to kind of gosh, yeah, even silver up and down, up and down. It's like we have that base support right there at that $88. Let's take a look at gold now. GC. Gold's kind of tricky. I don't know if this is going to be a fake dead cat bounce, but it can move up. We can close that cup. But you have that big resistance level at that 5213 level, 5213. If you're taking a look at my screen, if you cross that, then we can go all the way up to 234. Sorry, 237. So, but I would need more confirmation on that 213 level. But yeah. You didn't go to the gym tonight, Icepack?
No, I got home way too late. And I got other things to do here.
Yeah. I'll be right back, chat. I'm just gonna use our restroom.
Yeah, look at NQ. Just straight up chop on NQ for sure. I mean, just look at this. I mean, it looked like it was just gonna go up. Now it's right back at the entry at the open for the 15-minute candle. Yeah, honestly, the way this is the way NQ is shaping up, it looks like we might not see anything until London. Because we got a minute until this 15-minute candle closes. So that means we got to see something now. And think about how realistic that is in the next minute for us to be interested in taking a trade here. We need Buffett to sell this off. Yeah, if it breaks and closes. But other than that, it just looks like straight up like rage bait. Like this shit is just rage baiting you here. These candles. Gold, on the other hand, I think we might find better opportunity here. I think for a combine, you can do up to 5 micros. 5 micros. 5 micros gold. If you're risking 10 points, that's $500. So the idea would be for you to get 15 points to get your first day done. So if we can somehow get a trade here somehow, let's just say just present it right there, 15 points, about right there. That's all you're gonna need. Or this high. But let's see though. Like I said, I do like the way this is holding up. You know, we 2 strong bullish candles above these highs. And now we retrace, but we're also holding up right above it. Unless this is completely just flushes up to like these lows, I still think we can build some sort of support. And then if it closes above right here, this level, then I'd be interested in longing this for a continuation. But for right now, it's just hands off. Just see what it wants to do. Gold dumping on the 5-minute. 2 points. Two points is not a pull dump. .2 points. Yeah, man. 2 points is not a dump. If it like from right here, if it came like all the way over here, okay, yeah, we're ripping. Especially if it slices through the VWAP, then yeah, that's a dump. But 2 points, yeah, look at this. 2 points right there, pullback, and look how much we just ripped up. This is a rip. If it did this, but down, that's a dump. Because look at that, now we're right back up. It's getting bought up. That's why like during the overnight session, it's better to stay away from like these lower time frame candles because everything looks like it's bigger than what it seems, and that's how you get a better bias of like what. See now, yeah, this is if this speed continues, and yeah. But yeah, the bigger time frames help you kind of get the bias of like what direction you're wanting to get into. Because for right now, if the 15-minute is usually where I take the entries here on gold, you can see that we're here retesting this this resistance that we broke out of right here. So all we're doing is pulling back, giving that a retest for a possible move up. And what I would want to see here is like if this closes here in the next 10 minutes, which anything can still happen in 10 minutes. But let's just say it closed like right here. Let's just say it closed right there. The next one, I want to see it leave a wick behind and then flip green for us to try to catch it up. Because at that point, it's confirming that it's a previous resistance is now being confirmed as a support. It's a new hour here coming up, actually. Okay, yeah, the hour, look. Yeah, this looks like a rejection. The hourly's making things a little bit more clear. And Q is still being supported there, but still not interested. Just it's still in this ugly range. Okay, let's see how this hourly closes, and then we'll probably get like a short in here. We got to make sure we got to be sure that this hourly closes below this previous hourly low. If it does, we can see about grabbing these lows. But for right now, anything can still happen in the less than 10 minutes that we have until the new hour. And it's actually going to be also the new day opening, quote unquote. Yeah, let's see. Let's see how this closes. Yeah, gold is probably gonna be the best mover here because, and Q unless we finally break out of this range, there's really no. I'm not interested at all. I mean, unless you want to play the range, but what luck would you have if the moment you try to buy the bottom of the range to the top, it actually breaks down? All right.
And I'm back. So are we still thinking about gold?
Yeah, but I'm not interested just yet. Let's see how this new hour opens up. Yeah, and Q's just rage baiting, bro. Okay, I gotta get going here, just very, very shortly here. But if this uh if this 15-minute closes bullish, so from where it's at right now, comes up, closes a bullish candle, then I'll just take a entry at the break of the high with the stop below here. If I can get that entry is what it would look like. If I can get that. That's what that would look like. But it has to close bullish. If it doesn't, I'm not doing it. We got 50 seconds. Let's see. Doesn't look promising right now, but that's just what I got. Why am I even looking at NQ, bro? It's like, I know it's complete BS, but I just can't help but look. Okay, so let's think this through though. If we do get the entry, yeah, if you do the entry, you have two options as far as like what your stop loss. Yeah, Asia is slow, dude. I mean, the way it's moving. I mean, honestly though, gold put in some moves. Gold put in some moves. There's no doubt. Look at this. Look at that right there. And then of course until just now, we didn't get the close. We did not get the close, so I'm not doing it. Yeah. Now at this point, if this 15-minute closes like above here, then that's what it will look like. If we can get the close above net of here now.
Hopefully we can take this. Let's see. What do you think, chat? Do we close above? Let me know in the comments below
So
if you guys think we do close
we
above.
probably better stay out. Yeah, man. The way it's moving right now, yeah. Yeah. But yeah, man. There's no reason to force anything right now. Like again, like we could have taken the entry, but I did not feel confident in that, so I'm happy. I'm not feeling anything that it's doing a little push because it could still fail. But at this point now, if we get a closure above right here, yeah, I'll see about it. But for right now, it's just consolidating. So let's see what it wants to do. Yeah, man. Stalling, it's so annoying. Thank you, bro. Okay. Yeah, I see it, man. But yeah, I'm gonna call it there. It was just gonna be a short stream here.
We done? Dunzo.
Yeah, there's absolutely nothing here. There's nothing, no volume either way. Even if we do get to close, now I gotta wait to see if there's even volume.
Yeah.
There's nothing.
Yeah, no need to rush anything. So,
But
better safe than sorry.
we might even give a VWAP retest at this point. I really don't know. Nothing is obvious now. There's no obvious movement here. But all right, y'all, I'm out of here.
Adios. We'll catch you later.
Yeah, man. See you guys. All right, YouTube. That's gonna be it for me. Yeah, man. Boring ass price action. Boring. Consolidating, bro. Thank you, man. Okay, here we're breaking out. Actually, I take that back. I was gonna say something mean. Okay, but do we close here? That's the thing. That's the question now. But we got like 12 minutes left though, so I'm still gonna call it there. But yeah, man, it's so boring, bro. Yeah, dude. I wasn't gonna stream. I was not gonna stream, but I accidentally. Yeah, the 15-minute looks pretty good right now. Like we're fine. Okay, the 15-minute looks good because we're finally breaking out of this dumb range. Yeah, man. It needs to close. If it closes like in this area, what I want to see is a wick up to give this right here a retest. And then when it flips red and breaks the low is when we can take the entry to this low right here or the previous day 50%. But for right now, man, just, I don't know. The way this is shaping up, dude, it's awesome, man. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. I appreciate it, man. But the way this is shaping up, dude, it's looking more like we're going to see a better and clearer movement like in London. Because earlier today, what was it? Yeah, earlier today, if I delete everything, earlier today, this was the resistance that I was looking at. And we finally got the close. And then we saw the retest right here with this wick. And I had my entry limit right there. But it just took forever, bro. It took forever to get me in. I lost confidence, but and I was about to pull my order, but it filled me in on this next one. And I saw like about $70 of profit like right there, and then it just reversed on me and took me out like right there. And now we moved up, but now we're back here. So is the second time a charm or the third time? Well, they say the third time, but I'm going to assume that the second try would work. Cuz this now right here is the resistance. If we get a close below, yeah, I want to see it wick up just like how we saw up here. Wick up. And if it flips red, it's showing signs of rejection. And then that's where I can see about taking my entry to get these lows. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at. But right now, man, like I'm telling you, bro, it's just, yeah, man, it's better. It's better to sit on your hands on this one here. But yeah, man, gold still looks good to the upside. I mean, again, it's consolidating too, so let's see how it goes and just how it plays out, man. But all right, y'all, I appreciate you guys being here. Yeah, man, thanks for the sub, dude. And then hopefully we see a movement here soon. So I'll catch you guys later.